Hello everyone, it's Peter here, PS5. Hello guys. So we haven't had a PS5 Bluray in repair for quite a bit of time. I would say it will be months now. We did a lot of repairs on PS5 here, but not the PS5 Bluray for I don't remember when the last time. It wasn't last year, it was this year, but just Blu-rays are not that faulty. Oh, I've forgotten to put the top ones, the last 4 screws, so let's get these ones out as well. I removed all the screws on the side and I've forgotten about those. With electric screwdriver it's a bit quicker. Okay, so now look, those have stuck because of this. This disc has been stuck inside. You see? So now, any damages? No, but it should go out. And it doesn't want to. Oh, trying. Okay, cool. So we have it up. So what would be the next step? Yes, the next step would be to see what's wrong. And guess what? There is a second disc inside. Yay! Why would you try with the second disc if you would notice that there is a problem with the first one? I don't know. Maybe you haven't noticed that you've set one, or somebody didn't notice that somebody else have done it. But I don't remember the alignment. I would have to take out a second disc and Blu-ray, yes, from the device. So I would say there is at least one disc. Well, in this case, I will just take a photo if I can find my camera. Ouch! Guys, anybody seen my camera? I don't want to take with the iPhone because there is no backup in the cloud. I'll be right back. So I've taken a photo and I've shown on the photo that there is a second disc inside, but guess what? I feel there are 2 discs, not one. So that's why I wanted to show you, because I didn't know what to expect from inside. So now again, I don't remember the alignment of the mechanism and I might struggle. It's this one, it has one pimple here and goes into this one on the edge. And meanwhile this one is out, but this can be my bad. So I might struggle. Look, there is the one. Oh no, look, there is a second one. If that wouldn't be enough, guess what? Let's put this one here. Yes, there's another Tekken. So, is it everything? Yes, now it's everything. So, do we need any remnants of anything? No, there's no broken things. Okay, there's no anything else. So I would say that's it. Guys, I haven't seen a PlayStation 5 yet with 1, 2, 3, 4 discs inside. Why I would put second? Okay, if I wouldn't know and somebody else would try to put it, then the 3rd and 4th? No way, Jose. Again, it might not be the issue still, yes, but who knows? Okay, yes, so now this doesn't fit. Okay, so that's what I was talking about. And this need to be This one doesn't fit. Yes, exactly. So now, oh, see? Now it should be better. Because I haven't done it for quite a bit of time, I don't remember as other people from top of their heads, because they work like all the time with them. And we do them here several times per year, and we have even those drives in stock, but we don't do it on a daily basis or even weekly basis. I feel misalignment here. So anyways, this one is too high. This should be in between this, so I know it's bad. Wow-wee-wah. Okay, now I like it, how it is. Yeah, exactly. And here is one pimple which has to go properly as well. If no, it won't work. And it has to go to here or to this, depends which is location, like now. Okay, so this pimple is it's a matte, this one is a matte, this one is a matte. Okay, so now it's more of a, yeah, this one. This goes here, okay. And this is looking better. I'm not sure if I've done everything right or everything is okay in general. Probably I'll have to open it second time, because as I said, I don't remember from top of my head the alignment. And even if I would use the photo how it was aligned, it could be bad because it could be misaligned. So anyways, for now I will just insert it like that. I will put the metal cover. Okay, I will grab 2 screws just for test, for a quick test, and we can insert it and see if that will be misaligned. Oh, look what I'm doing here. Okay, now second one. And guys, I won't be taking so much time. I'll screw those in and I will get PlayStation here. Okay guys, so now it's not a lot of weight, and now it's just hooking up this wire. Oh, it isn't finding this white cable here which will allow us to press the button. That's wrong alignment. Okay, let's not use a PS5 disc. Josh Groban, Sopranos, Classic FM. Oh, Minecraft 1.5, who cares? Told you, it's misaligned mechanism. So I will be trying to figure out how to align it. I will be crunching it when it, you hear? That's a misalignment. Anyway, let's place it to sleep, and Let's take this mechanism out. I will open it, reopen it. Okay guys, so behind the scenes I spent about less than 5 minutes. I removed everything, I've realigned the mechanism and I put it back, and I found original fault. So for me, I think the rollers will be filthy, so I won't be doing it now, but the mechanism seems to be working. So as long as I will clean the rollers, I'll know if that's the case. Yes, I don't want to drag this because it's after 22:37, so nearly 11 p.m. So I don't want to drag it, and the recording has already over 10 minutes. So you've seen 4 discs are not good, and I think what have happened is that they've either thought that they can do something that it will take out when they will insert another one. I don't know, but look. Yes, if I'm doing it, it's taking. Don't know if you can hear it on the camera, but it is reading. Now when I'm taking it out, it doesn't pull completely. You see, it's struggling to pull it. So that means, I think if I will just leave it till tomorrow. I will just clean it tomorrow because it's plenty of dust still, and I will clean the rollers. But we found the fault. The fault was inserting 4 discs, and probably the rollers need clean. That's it. Don't forget about those 4 alignment and screwing them back, because you will have struggle. And I like to catch here too, because it's not a lot of work to catch the 2 screws when you're doing this job. This way you're making sure that the alignment of the mechanism is proper. Okay, and out. Oh, you see, and it's taking out, only it's sliding. So I would say it's a fix. A customer will get 4 discs back, and I can hold 2 beeps, 1 and 2, let it switch off. Guys, that's it. If you don't mind, please leave me a thumbs up or comment down below if you would like to see more of those type of repairs. You can comment down below as well. But that's it in this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking or commenting down below, because that boosts the views of the video. That's it. See you in the next one. Bye bye.